this is the website I created, and look how beautiful this website is and user friendly at the same time. In this specific video, I got you something super powerful. If you're looking to build a website and you don't know how to do that, or let's say you don't want to use the traditional way or the old fashioned, which is the WordPress, and you have no clue about how to do WordPress websites using back end, front end, and everything, I got you this super cool AI system that could build you a website from scratch within 2 to 4 or 5 minutes maximum. Okay, so I would really suggest this to build a website for your clients, either for your clients or you build a website for your own self. It doesn't matter. It'll make the job done as fast as possible. Okay, so all you have to do is jump to this website, which is called lovable.dev developer. So the prompt section right here, and click on, just giving you an example, create a website about my store for cats, make it user friendly, create 4 pages, home, about, products, and hit enter. Okay, it'll take about 2 to 4 or 5 minutes maximum. And after that, let me just show you, I'm gonna show you something super cool. Let me show you what I did. So I created this website to my clients, okay, and it's super nice, super fast. All I did is some edits, like basic minor edits after I created the website, okay, because there is an edit section that you could, click on it and edit the whole information just the way you want. You could also include with the prompt, before you create the website, you could include the phone number for that company or your company, and the address, all the information, business email, and so on. So this is the website I created, and look how beautiful this website is. Look how nice and user friendly at the same time. Okay, so Google will love these websites. Like I said, guys, you will thank me for this later on. Okay, super nice, super cute. So I would definitely suggest this AI system. If you wanna create a website, go and register with, I'm gonna leave you the link in the description box. Okay, that's all I want to say. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and follow for more, and I'll see you with my next video.